If you're a veteran in need of dental care or know someone in this situation, there's hope.
An army of dentists is waiting to help. Tonight, I'm introducing you to one of these dentists and the veteran he helped. Meet Tiffany Swisher. For years, she silently lived in pain, both physically and emotionally. It all started 10 years ago.
I was diagnosed with adult onset epilepsy.
This nerve disorder causes seizures. Her doctor found the right concoction of drugs to stop them, but this cure came with major side effects.
The drugs that were saving my life started doing permanent destructive damage to my teeth.
The drugs were eroding her enamel, causing her teeth to chip and fall apart.
So you get caught in this cycle of having nowhere to turn, no dental coverage through the VA. I personally had gone through a lot of avenues trying to find help.
But she found nothing. In desperation, her family took out a $14,000 loan as a very last resort.
I had to have a lot of root canals, a lot of crowns put on in order to save the teeth.
Her teeth needed so much more, and that's when she says she stumbled across the Adopt-A-Vet dental program. Her 4 years of service in the Air Force qualifies her for this care.
I called. At first, it sounded too good to be true, but I took a chance and I got put on that waiting list, and I was on that for, a year or so.
Then she met the dentist she says changed her life, Dr. Robert Devin. A dental hygienist cleaned her teeth. Dr. Devin gave her fillings, fixed some crowns, and bonded some teeth that had broken.
With every appointment that I went into, I walked out feeling better and better about myself. Dr. Devin was great. He went above and beyond what he needed to do for me. He wanted to make sure that every visit went smooth. Every visit he asked me, is there anything else I can do for you?
And today, Tiffany has a perfect smile. She says Dr. Devin restored her confidence when he fixed her teeth.
A lot of these ladies, when we get them back to some sort of a normal face and a normal smile, they go on to start new careers. They start new families.
I asked Dr. Devin why he cares enough to donate his time and his valuable skills to help veterans.
I'm one of them.
He joined the reserves at the age of 22 because he likes ships and because members of his family and relatives fought in World War II, Korea, even the Revolutionary War. His dental work on veterans who were prisoners of war during World War II changed him. Soldiers who endured horrors defending the United States of America.
You meet people like that, and it humbles you to see these guys.
He says most of these good men and women do not qualify for VA care and they can't afford the help they need.
Some of them have very severe conditions. Many are fragile.
Almost all, he says, are humble, forgiving, and just focus on the future.
To see people who are just frank heroes who stood unflinchingly in looking at death and torture.
Dr. Devin has voluntarily helped dozens and dozens of veterans.
And they all have a story. Sometimes they're funny, and sometimes you wish they hadn't shared it with you.
He says not because the story was terrible, but because it was sad. Founder of the Adopt-A-Vet dental program, Linda Haig, says like Tiffany, 90% of veterans don't get the dental care they need because the qualifications are extremely restrictive. That's why the Adopt-A-Vet dental program targets low-income veterans. She says there is no other program like this in the country. Tiffany is now showing her gratitude.
Adopt-A-Vet Dental, Tiffany speaking. May I help you?
She works in the Adopt-A-Vet office once a week from 9 to 3, where she meets with veterans to check them into the program. One good deed rippling forward, now helping hundreds of others. She feels happy, but admits another emotion occasionally creeps in.
And I felt saddened that this program, there were so many vets out there that need this kind of help, and they don't have it.
Give us a call. We're here to help. It's part of our job, and we're glad to do it. As far as I'm concerned, it's part of their pay, and they've already earned it.
If you'd like to learn more about the Adopt-A-Vet dental program, go to kolotv.com and check out this online report. Northern Nevada Dental Health Programs was a 2018 Colo Cares Pillar Partner.